Okay. So I'll give you Putha 2 minutes. Huh? So this is question, first question, then we can do the questions in this PDF. So this formula, by using this formula, Putha, by using this formula, you find NA union B. Right? I give you only 2 minutes, you can get the answer. NA union B. Right? Right. Now you can see here, how many elements are there for NA? For NA, we can get, if this is the A and this one we can get as B. For NA, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For NA Putha, we can get 6 elements. How many are there? There are 6 elements. For NB, we can find some 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? For NB also, we can find some 6 elements. In the set B also contains 6 elements. Then plus 6. Na plus NB. Na intersect B. Intersect B means 2. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 minus 2. Right? So this is the answer. This is the in B, in A, number of elements in A, set A. This is the number of elements in A intersect. A intersect B, that means the number of elements in common. Right. Then Putha, you can write this down. So that's a way of using this formula. So without giving the Venn diagram, in some occasions, they will give you the question with a statement. They will give you the NA, NB, and NA intersect B, the values. then you can use that to find the NA unit B, right? Now we can do one by one these questions. The first one, they have given some elements, three sets A, B, C. The set A contains P, R, H, U. P, R, A, D, U, E. B contains P, R, I, S. And set A, C contains B, U, D, A, P, E, S, T. Right? They are there. So now you can use your knowledge to find out this one because we need some questions. Can you get the answer to this one, sir? Quickly. Right. A intersect B, Bhuta, what are the elements in common? When you get the set A, P, R, H, U, E, then the A and B, both the sets contains A, R, P. A, R, P. So the answer for this one is, you have to use this curly brackets always, A, P, R, A, P, R. Okay. Then the other one, B union C. B union C. That means you have to get all the elements in B and C. P, A, R, I, S, B, U, D, E, T. That's a B union C. That's a way of the B union C. So here they have given this symbol. Now say what's the meaning of that? Set D contains R, O, M, E as the elements, and the E contains L, I, S, B, and F contains these ones. Ah, sorry, typing mistakes. These are the elements of this thing. And if you can write B, E, R, L-I-N. So put one of the letters D, E, or F in the box below to make the statement true. In the box, this one. A intersect a certain set. A intersect one of these two sets should be a null set. It should be a null set. Right? A intersect A intersect. Now you can see when you intersect the A is not given, right? So we can get instead of A. A is the first element, right? I'll give the A lines. You can get the A. You write down A as that is the A. A intersect a set out of these three should be a null set. Null means there can't be intersection. You can see here there are common elements for A and F, and there are common elements for D and A also. And but we can't find common elements for E and A. There are no common elements for E and A. Therefore, here you write E. Null set. Inside the bracket here put E. Okay. That's all that questions. And now we can start the next one. Set A is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Set B is a set such that A intersect B equals 4, 8. The set B has 3 members. List the members of one possible set B. Then they have given here universal set, even numbers. 0, they haven't given any base for the even number. Right? Then A, 2, 4, 6, 8. A intersect B is given as 4, 8. Then we have write down to that they haven't given any number of elements in set B is 3. Then we have to get any, we had to construct a set by including even numbers. Even numbers for the set B also by including 4 and 8. Because A intersect B should be 4, 8. Then 4, 8 should be there in the B. In addition to that, there should be another even number. So I get there as 6. Right? No, 6 can't be there. No? Because if you get the 6, because 6 is there in A also. We have to get any other element which is not in A. Even
12.
12. Correct. Very good. There's the answer. The next one. You can write this down to the and try the other one. After this one, we can start a past paper. I'll quickly finish this one, then select. I'm going to start a past paper also 2022. So the next question, C is a set such that A intersects C is an null set. A intersects C is null. Means there can't be any common elements. And the C and C is 3. List the members of one possible set C. List the members of one possible set C. Right. But we have to include, we have to use this one there. We are going to use this one also. Null set. Then there can't be any element in A and C. So what are the elements in A? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We have to get another element 4. We have to get elements which are not in A. With 3, number of elements in the set C should be 3. And we have to include the elements which are not in A. So what are the elements? What are the even numbers of this universal set which are not in A?
12, 14, 16.
Yes. Here again, 12, 14, 16. We have write only 3 elements. 3 elements, right? That's a C. So the next question, son. See, the set S contains CHINA as elements. Set V contains Italy. List the elements of the set S intersect V. As intersect V. What are they, son? I, A are the elements which are common in S and V. As union V, we have to include all the elements in S and V. C, H, I, N, A, T, A, L, Y. Okay, put that. Right. You can write this down if you have missed anything quickly. So Right. Then we can start the next one. Next question, son. This is a universal set. Odd numbers. What are the odd numbers in this universal set? 3, 5, 7, 9. Yes, they are the odd numbers. 3, 5, 7, 9. Right? They are the odd numbers. Then we have to get NA union B. So what is A union B? In A union B, we have to include both elements, which are in A and B, but we can't repeat the same element again and again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are the elements in A. What are the odd numbers? B, for the set B, odd number, for the odd number, we can't get the 2, right? That should be 3. Then,
7 and 9?
yeah,
7 and 9?
7 and 9. Good. In A union B means number of elements here that we can see here. In A union B, number of elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is the number of elements in A union B set. Okay. The next one. Delta C is a set such that in A, C is a set such that A intersects C is 4, 5. List the possible, and the C has 4 members. C has 4 members. List the members of one possible set. List the member of one possible set for C. Right. So here we are going to use this one. It says that A intersects C. A intersects C is given as 4, 5, and C has 4 members. A intersects C is given as 4, 5. And C has 4 members. C has in A and C is 4. And C is given as 4. We have to deduce set for this number of elements in C. Right. How to get that? C should contain 4 and 5. Huh? Right. C should contain 4 and 5. Can you tell me anything? One more element. So you can get C as then 4, 5, 9, 10. Right. That's about. Now look at this one now for fifth question. In a survey, 30 on a cat, 25 on a dog, 60 on, 6 on neither. This is 6. 6 on neither. Right? Good. Then some. Neither. So here we have to put 6, 30 on a cat, 30 on a cat, 25 on dog. The remaining animals here should be 25, 30 minus 6, 24. Here 25 minus 6. Here we have put 25 minus 6. What is it then? 19. There should be 19. Then there are 50 people in the survey. So having the 15. 50 should be equal to this 19 plus 24 plus 6 plus 50 is the total, huh? X. Now we can find the value of X. 19 plus 24 plus 6 is the intersect plus the complement of both the set is X. That should be equal to total number of elements, total number of people. 19 plus 24. How much is that? 43. Yeah, 43 plus 6, 49. X equals 1. 50 minus 49 is 1. Right? Good. So you can try this out. I'm going to give you, this is the first question and this is the second question. I'll give you this one also. Third one. A intersect B complement. You write down that. Then 5. 4. A union B complement. 6. No, that is A intersect B complement. Right. Can you write this down? The answer for this. This is the universal set. This is set A, this is set B. Right? I give 5 minutes. Quickly can try that out. 4 minutes. Right. Seri, what is the answer, Putta? The first one. Right. Still we are doing this one. No? After you do this, Putta, you have to represent these things in the Venn diagram also. Represent these sets in Venn diagram. Venn diagram. Separately. Right. Then I am going to do this one for the A intersect B. For the A intersect B, we can get 24, only 24, right? And 30. 24 and 30 are the elements in common. Right? They are the elements in common. 24, 30. Then the A complement. A complement, for the A complement, we can get anything. A complement is either 22, 24, 28, and 30. We can get 21, 23, 25, 26, 27, 29. 21, 23, 25, 26, 27, 29. Right, there it is. Right? Then A intersect B complement. The next one is here. For this one, A intersect B complement. That means we have to get the elements which are not in this set. A intersect B in this universal set. In addition to 24, 23, other than 24, 23, we have select all the elements for this A intersect B complement. Right. The first one for the A intersect B complement, which are not in A intersect B, are what's the first one? 21, 22, then 23, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So they are the elements which are not in A intersect B. A intersect B set. Right. Then A union B complement. A union B, yes, we have written the A union B. Then first of all, we have right here the A union B. What is A union B? For the A union B, we can write 22, 21, 22, 24, 26, 27, 28, 30. Right? Okay, Putta. Right. So can you tell me in that way, Putta? So what are the elements which are not in A union B? When you look at this universal set, what are the elements that you can find? For the A union, yes.
23, 25, and 29.
Okay, put that good. Right. A union B complement. Again 23, no? 20, 20,
23, 25, 29.
right, 23, 25, 29. Very superb. Then how to get this one? So I told you that the meaning of this one were, right? The elements which are only in A, if it is given like this, you can see here a complement is only, the complement is has put only on B, right? So it is not given like this. There's no bracket. Complement is there only on where? B. Okay, good. Then son, can you tell me who has the idea to get that answer? What the meaning of this one? The elements only in A is this. It says here to get elements only in A. We have to remove the elements in B from A. That means if there's an intersection, if there's a common element for A and B, we have to eliminate that from A and write the elements only in A for this set. Right? So what are they, Pita? Is the intersection here 24 and 23 are common. We have to put eliminate that, we have to delete that from A and write the elements only in A now 26, 22. 22,
6, 28.
right. 26. We have to eliminate the common elements of A and B. Right? Put that kind of in the same way. Venn diagrams now, right? I'll help you. Venn diagrams. So, Puta, you wrote this down. Shall I start the other one, Puta? Venn diagrams then?
Okay, sir.
Okay, good. Good. The first one. I'm going to do the first one. Right. I'll draw only this one. Huh? These three. Okay. Oh, skin. Unleash. Hari. Okay, okay. Right. So, son. This is the universal set. I'll get the universal set like this. A, and there's a intersection for B. We can include them inside the common region as 24, 30. And this one we can label as A. This is as A. Okay. Then son, what do you put? 24, 30. Then 26, 28. What are the other son? Yes. And 28.
22.
22. For B, put the
21 and 27.
21, 27. And the remaining region we have to include son. Now we have to look at this one. Or the other remaining elements we can put the outside the circles. What are these? 20,
20,
3,
23, 25,
29.
26,
A union B complete.
29.
No, 26 here, 29. Right. So the other things. Now you put the comma. 23, 25, 29. So if they ask you to share the region, right? So that's the thing. But here I told you to share the region. No? A union B. Right. How do you get this one? The first one. A intersect B complement. That means for the A intersect for the A intersect B complement, we have to get this region. Right? Okay, we have to keep this one as empty. No. Yeah. Shade the region. If they ask you to get shade the region, that's a way.